how to redeem a coupon in the Vantage application. Hello and welcome to Trading for Beginners. If you've got a coupon or promo code for the Vantage app, then it's pretty easy to use. First things first, launch open the Vantage application on your device like you normally do and log into your account. After you are logged in, from the home page of Vantage, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, click on Coupons. On the next page, select Redeem. Enter your promotion, reward, bonus or your coupon code in the text box. You can also paste it into the given box. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes. I'm just typing in some random words. This is not the correct code for your information. And finally, after typing it down, click on Confirm. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and the bonus or reward will be added to your account. So that's how you do it. It is just a few simple steps. It's always nice to grab extra bonuses when trading, so don't miss out next time you get a code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.